Yeah man, yes, aya. Yeah man, good morning YouTubers. Why me tell you what a sight me come catching in the morning now. Why me never go post it the one here, I post it the one here now. Yeah man, me just do me. Yeah, since me get my bike, you know. By Father's Day, since me get in there, first me do some cycling this morning. Yeah man, me ride from Falmouth to Martabray. Go up on the highway. You know, see it, come back down, reach Bogate. Yes, come back down from Bogate Road. And the man and the half from the beach now. Yes, aya. But the machine are nice. I pay early morning cycling, me go start doing, brother. More time go ride gal bow down in place there now. Yeah, cause back in the days, man, I ride gal Spicy Hill, you know. I ride from farm gal Spicy Hill, you know. And come back down, yeah man. Yeah. You know how easy, brother. Yeah man, but good morning YouTubers, brother. From the voice of Bed Miller. Nice to be alive, aya. Yeah man, my new bike, yeah. And all the ship in the background. In the seat. And all the sunrise upon the all the sun and the sun glare upon the beach. Upon the sea water. What a sight, aya. What a sight. Yeah man, as I say, Falmouth are the best place to live. The best place to live, brother. I mean, I make this thing too long too, you know, because sometimes, yes. I say, big up the word in English. In Nathaniel English, I say, boy, it was nice seeing English yesterday. Really nice. Yeah man, my former Steths teammate in 1979. It was a nice feelings. Some people know say, you know. See, all I know Steths past D.Cup players who used to play with, and all the Knibb past D.Cup players who used to play with. Anytime you see one, you know, you see it. You never go prepare, you know, man. To give me an interview, you know. You see it. And not even all who play with me in my days, you know. In a 79 Steths and 1980, 81, 82, and 83 and Knibb. You see it. I now go interview one alone, you know. Every Steths baller I know who play ball go down reach, and you see, especially when they moving all D.Cup. Wait on your book all one all Starry and Gogo and D-Man. You see it? Yeah man. Yeah. Even all Beckham, the whole of you know. Anytime I book you know. Yeah man, if you prepare for your interview, you interview the whole of you know. All the Steths greats them, all the Steths players them, all the Steths players them, and the Knibb school players them. I will get interviewed by me. So just prepare. Yeah man. Just prepare for the interview. Boy, English, it was nice seeing yesterday. That's what I tell people say, man. You see when they involve in sports and anything there, and those sports, and all that training and all them things there, age not show up on your brother. Age not show up on you. Because I say English look same like how English used to do their Steths. Same way the man look. Yeah man. Nathaniel English. Yeah man, so as I say, big up yourself English. I hope you enjoy your rest of stay at Jamaica until you're ready to fly back over. Big up wifey, big up your daughter. It was so nice meeting them yesterday. As I say, Steths is a family when you come on to sports. Same way Knibb school, same way. A family. You see it. Because Steths and Knibb are mine two alma mater them. High school alma mater. I love the two school them so dearly. I might burn fire in upon them, you know. Because when things don't go on, I burn my fire in, man. But I might school them, you know, man. Because I burn fire for the betterment. I burn fire for the betterment, you know, brother. So what I know say, I go cut the Yeah man, me go cut this one now. I two things I post for me when the voice of bed this morning. Yeah man, the nice vibe yesterday me talk about it, and I'm going to talk about some graduation thing now. So I'm going to stop the one here. Because I have certain things to tell the public. Between some graduation thing. Yes, Aya.